So I've had this lumber here for a little over a week. Got it stickered, so it's drying. So today I'm just going to rip this 2x material. I got 2x10 by 10 and 2x10 by 12. I'm going to rip most of this into 2x material, so it's going to be 1.5 and 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to sticker that again and let that dry because I'm planning next week to start the build. So I want this sticks as dry as I can get them. Don't have much room here in my garage, so I just moved outside where my table saw set up and my shop vac, which I'm going to be sucking all the sawdust out. And here I've got my blank, or I guess my measuring stick. So I've got this set to 1.5 inches, and I'm going to start ripping. So out of that 2x10 by 12, actually got like 5 pieces of 1.5 by 1.5, and this piece here of 1.25 inches. Now I can probably I will use this later, but I'll put this to one side with the rest of the, let's say, the offcuts to be used with different sections of the trailer where I don't need the 1 by or 1.5 by 1.5. For protection, got glasses, got hearing protection, got a respirator with fresh filters. As you can see, it does kick up a lot of dust. And one thing that I did notice, yeah, there's some staples in this material, so I'm gonna have to pick the staples out before I cut it, because you know, saws don't like staples. So I've got all that cut into framing material for the camper. I decided to leave one 2x10 by 10 uncut just in case I might need it for something else. And I got these offcuts. These range, and I don't understand, like this and this were both cut from 2 separate 2x10s. And like, look, this is about a full solid inch. This is about 3/4 of an inch. Like, and like, look, crazy. But anyway, I got all these offcuts to use in the camper as well. What I'm maybe doing is ripping them down to maybe some of them down to about 1/2 inch to use for the bend that we have, or the curve that we have in the roof of the trailer, and then glue them and staple them, that sort of thing. Because it is kind of movable. Stack a couple of them up and glue them. We have a nice curve. Anyway, that's it for now. Cleaning up the mess here, and going to sticker that back in the garage for about another week, and then start building.